So hello people, today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 442, that is find all duplicates in an array. Yesterday we need to find just one duplicate in the array, and this will be given an array integer nums of length n, where all the integer of nums are in the range from 1 to n. So let's consider it as a one based index array, and each integer is occurring either once or twice, and we have to return the array of all integers that appear twice. Then again we have this thing that we need to do the work now of n time and use only constant extra space. Okay, so we'll be following the same technique that we did yesterday. So first let's have a list of integer, that is my answer, that is equal to new array list, and then we'll be marking the indexes again, that negative index marking thing, that for int num in num we'll be taking the I'll be having a current value that will be absolute value of num, and then I'll be going at the current minus 1 index in this case, because it's a one based indexing array, so we'll have to subtract minus 1 nums of current minus 1. If it is already marked, that means that we have already visited it, so we'll be adding it to the answer list, answer dot add my current, and else what I have to do, or in every case I have to do this, nums of current minus 1 will be equal to negative of the nums of current minus 1. Okay, and at the end let's just return the answer list. Now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so what the basically the code is doing is, we'll be like, for example, if we are at 2, we'll be doing a minus 1, so we'll be at this index. That means we'll be marking the element that is present at then this index. Then again we'll be traversing the array, and if we again encounter a 2, we'll be checking this value. If it is marked already, that means we have already visited it, and it also means that we also encountered a 2 previously in the array, so that's why we are having a negative value there, and this the thing that we have to check. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.